Hi, I'm Lisa Lucky with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to our virtual open house. We are at 11039 East Ventry Drive. We are in Quisana, which is a subdivision of Troon North. So it's Quisana and Troon North. One of the things unique about this neighborhood, in addition to being gated, there are just 29 home sites in here. And all of the front yards are maintained by the HOA, so it's a very neat, clean look to this little subdivision, which I love. And that's not common to have the front yards maintained by the HOA, but that is included with your HOA fees. This beautiful home that we're going to see today was built in 2014 by Standard Pacific Homes, so it's like a new home. You'll notice the adobe brick style outside, but when we get inside, it's a very modern home designed for today's living. So let's go in and take a look. One of the great features on this home is that there are patios back front and back. So as we're walking up front, you'll notice a great patio. And actually the owners use this patio a lot, depending on the time of the day, whether it's sunny or not, they might choose to come out and dine on this patio. So let's go take a look. See the nice walled courtyard here as we come up. And so there is a gate here, which I have open now. You'll see the seating out here. So this is going to be seating, and there's sliding glass doors off the great room. And then you've got the beautiful iron cantera door as we go in. So let's come take a look at this home. Square footage on the home is 2839 square feet. Okay. We've got the rotunda foyer here, and as you come in, you're into this beautiful great room. So the great room is open to the kitchen area. We've got bar stool seating here, and then the dining / breakfast room area. It's kind of a dual purpose. Is also right in this area as well. So you'll notice here in the kitchens, you've got the extra high countertops, or not countertops, I'm sorry, cabinets in here. You do have natural gas here, so gas cooked up. And great prep area on the sink. You've got your couple sinks, everything you need. There's a pantry here, walk-in pantry as well. Okay. Beautiful wood floors in here. The home itself is 3 bedrooms and a den and 2.5 baths. Okay. Additional prep sink area here as well. So we are going to go outside to enjoy the great outdoors here. So we'll just head through the sliding glass door. And one of the great features out here is there's actually a view deck to take in the views. You'll notice the ceiling fans out here, a great covered area for enjoying the outdoors. It's a beautiful day in Scottsdale. You'll notice a beautiful artificial turf here. This is a saltwater swimming pool. And then the great views that you get here, boulder outcroppings, and you actually have the tip of Pinnacle Peak. In addition, out here, you do have a fire pit. So they've got a nice fire pit towards the side of the yard that takes up through all the garbage. So, it's actually open in this backyard. It's got a very cool look. Okay? So we're going to head inside. Again, we've got the view deck here as well. And up on the view deck, you'll actually see McDowell Mountain View, Tom's Thumb, and we'll just take a peek up the view deck real quick. Alright, so you can see some of the great views that we get up here. Also, they've got furniture up here as well. Great place to take in some of the great views up in North Scottsdale. Combination of Troon Mountain, Tom's Thumb, the McDowell's, Pinnacle Peak are all up here. A great place to also watch fireworks during the summer. Okay, so let's head back in and take a look at the bedroom. this home was built in 2014. So that's why it feels so new, because it is a newer home. And we're going to head down to the master side of the home. And as we come back to the great room area, you'll notice the shutters. And this is where the doors open back to that front patio that we saw when we first came in the home. Down this hallway, we have laundry room. It's a spacious laundry room. And then we have an owner's entry. Love this owner's entry. Where you're coming in, there's a closet here, but when you're coming in through the garages, you've got a great place to just put your things down, plug in your phones. They've got a little refrigerator, a wine rack here, more storage. So it kind of serves a dual purpose, but just a great utilitarian area. We've got built-in cabinets here at the end of the hall. And then this is the office or den. And obviously you can use it as a working office, or it could be another seating TV area. We'll go down and look at the master bedroom first, and then we'll look at the master bath. So the beautiful wood floors continue through the home. You'll notice the shutters that are throughout. There is also a door off of the master to go back outside to the pool area. So you can see it's a nice spacious room. They've got additional seating area here as well. So nice space here. Okay, and then let's take a look at the master bath. Okay, so we've got two separate vanities. We've got a jetted tub, walk-in shower, walk-in closet, and the water closet. And from here, we're going to go to the other side of the house for the guest bedrooms. So this is a split floor plan. So the master and den are on one side, and then the two guest bedrooms are on the other side of the house. Let's go take a look. First, you'll have the powder room. There are additional cabinets in the hallway behind me. And we'll come down here to guest bedroom, the first guest bedroom. And in this guest bedroom, there is a walk-in closet. So you've got a nice sized closet in here. We've got the shutters in here as well. A nice sleek ceiling fan. And then here we have an additional full bath. And that has the shower with the bath. And there are two sinks in here as well. And then we've got an additional bedroom. So this bedroom is on the front of the house. And again, this bedroom has the beautiful shutters in it as well. And a nice sized room. And again, on this home, our square footage here is 2839. You'll notice as we were touring the home, you guys, there's no interior steps here. So it's a very functional floor plan. One of the things too, because it's a newer home, you're going to have things like a tankless hot water heater as well. And that concludes our tour here at Quisana at Troon North. This is a great home. If you'd like to take a look at it, please reach out and call us. We're at 602-320-8415. Or if you're working with a realtor, please have your realtor give us a call. The home is listed at $899. So it's $899, 3 bedrooms, a den, 2.5 baths, built in 2014. So a great home up in Troon North. So give us a call, and we look forward to bringing you here for a personal tour.